guys probably have taken pictures, but you guys probably haven't done too much with video. So they say if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then how many is a video worth? So tonight I'm going to talk about a couple of do-it-yourself video methods to make videos for maybe, let's say, you or a project you're working on, or even, let's say, a bar mitzvah invitation. I'm going to give you a couple examples how I do some, and I'm going to show you some stuff. So a lot of you guys are thinking that videos are expensive, that you're going to have to take out a second mortgage on your house to be able to afford to create videos and make them very professional. But today I want to show you guys a couple methods that don't cost a lot of money, that you can do it yourself, sometimes in 5 minutes, sometimes pay somebody else to do it for a couple of dollars. So the first video method that I like a lot is called sketch videos. So these are kind of whiteboard videos that kind of tell a story using a drawing on the computer, a computer screen. So you see an example over here. It's showing somebody on a bicycle and a tree in the background. So basically, usually you have somebody draw these whiteboard videos, and they're very nice videos. Usually, if you all go to a professional company, it costs about a couple $1,000s a minute. But there's a program I use called Sparkle Video Scribe. It's a computer-based program. It's based out of the UK, where Simon's from. Well, it's a couple $1 a month where you it's on the computer, and they have all these stock image and stuff like that, which is very nice to use. And you can make very professional videos for less than a couple $1 a month. So I speak a lot at different conferences. And there was a couple years ago I spoke at a conference in Toronto, and I wanted to do something a little different in the speaking pitch. So I decided, instead of doing a boring old pitch, writing down stuff about what I wanted to speak about, so I decided, let me make a little sketch video to the organizer, telling them exactly what I want to speak about. So I went on to using Sparkle. This was 3 years ago, and I made a little pitch for the conference, which was called SES. And this is kind of the video that I made. So I got an email back from the conference organizer, you can see in the next screen, saying that this was the most creative pitch she's ever seen, and she wanted me to speak on 2 different topics over here. So, you can use sketch videos to, promote your business, or even, let's say, you want to send out a company-wide email, whatever it is, these sketch videos really work. And even a minute sketch video landed me a speaking gig in Toronto. Another video kind of type I like, these are kind of more animation, like doll head videos. This is called Powtoons. It's an Israeli company. It's a web-based software where they have all these different templates where you can go in and make a little different animated films, whenever it is promoting your business or whatever project you're working on. So this is very easy to use. This company is based in Tel Aviv, and they have a lot of different cool little templates to use, which I've used a lot. So the next kind of video I like to use is what I call the talking head video. It's basically recording somebody behind the green screen. So a lot of times, if I'm using that kind of video for a client or for somebody, I'll get somebody to do it on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where you can get things done for $5. Actually, also an Israeli-based company. I'm promoting Israel today in the speech, not the UK, sorry. So Fiverr is an Israeli-based company where you can get a lot of things done starting at $5. So I usually will go ahead and use this guy. He'll dress up in a suit, and I'll send him a script, and he'll read it behind the green screen. So instead of me having to, get Avital and setting up a camera and the green screen and editing, I pay somebody $5, and within 24 hours, the video that I want is done. And this could be very good for promoting a business or trying to get a message across that, let's say, a sketch video wouldn't be fit for. So this is just an example of a sketch video I got done using Fiverr. I paid a couple more dollars because I got a voiceover and stuff like that. But you can also get these sketch videos I was talking about done on Fiverr. Instead of paying a couple $1,000, get it done for $24.33, which is pocket change. So, you can use Fiverr for a lot of these different video examples I talked about. You can just get it done, some money on Fiverr, and, you don't have to do it yourself. So I've gotten some of these things done. People have used them for, let's say, bar mitzvah invitations, or promoting a concert they're having, or even, let's say, a book sale, whatever you want to, whatever occasion is, it can be a great thing to use. Lastly, I want to talk about something called Google Hangout. So this is kind of an interview kind of style video. So we have a lot of different professionals here. I'm sure some of you guys at Cisco kind of do some of these hangouts. So this is very good for if you're having an interview with somebody or you want to become an expert on a topic. So you want to, so Avital, for example, can do a Google Hangout for different things on photography tips. So this is also used very well. And the beauty about Google Hangouts, it's owned by YouTube. Google owns Google Hangouts, so it also appears on the top of the search engine, so it also helps getting the video message out. So in conclusion, I just want to sum up saying that video isn't expensive. It's much more powerful. People much prefer to watch a video than go to a boring old website. You can get some of these videos done in, let's say, 5 minutes, sometimes a little more, or as low as $5. So hopefully you guys learned something today, and hopefully you guys will use some videos in whatever project you're working on. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alphonse.